Hello, this is my review on the model ha-117 model Glock. It's made by Air Model Firearms 6mm synthetic ammo, which is the caliber it shoots. It is a blue color, and it's a 1-to-1 scale of the Glock 17. So, there's this. It has some Chinese and English, and yeah. They even spelt, where is it at? It was on the back. Where's caution at? Caution. Right here. That's not how you spell caution. That's the word. Close enough. We get it. So, this is the gun. It is very nice. I like it. It has... Hold on, let me cock it. It does have a slide lock. That's the button to push it down right here. Mag release is kind of stiff at first, but you will break it in. Can't just kind of tap it from the side because it has to come all the way out. And then the mag itself, I've read somewhere it held 22. I think it holds more, or a little bit less than that, but that's close enough. The sights, fairly good, pretty accurate for 15-20 feet. And the suppressor it comes with, this does not come in the suppressor or silencer already. This you have to screw in here, and this just kind of goes in your gun. If it'll focus, it goes in your gun by these little notches that are on it. So about the background noise, I cannot do anything. And so I'll put the suppressor on. And there it is with the suppressor. Kind of equals out the balance a lot better. It is open all the way through. And you can shoot 2 BBs with it if you accidentally cock it back twice. But yeah, I'll do the firing test in part 2. And how it sounds like with the suppressor on, and how it sounds like with the suppressor off. Kind of has like a tin can sound on that. And then you can buy extra mags for it, so I went ahead and bought 2 for like $9 each. They're cheaper on Amazon, but I didn't really want to have it shipped from Amazon. I just wanted them right away, because I'm like that. Yeah, these things, they don't have the logo. This one's made in Taiwan, I think. Yeah, made in Taiwan. Yeah, I'll do the firing test right now. So, switch the camera. You can see the target. Maybe. Trying to get too much of the box in there. Yeah, hold on. This is gonna be without the silencer, and one with the silencer. I'm just gonna shoot in a piece of laundry, I guess. You could say. Oh no, cat, don't walk in front of the gun. It shot directly where it was supposed to. And I'll put the silencer on. And proof that it's a new mag. There's another bullet, or BB, not bullet. If there's a bullet, I wouldn't be making this video. Maybe. Light, come on. And you can see it right there. kind of aimed up a little. Yeah, I don't know. It's a good gun for, how much did I pay? I think it was like $28 or something. Yeah. $25.99, tax and all that. $29 or so. Not a bad gun. I like it a lot. And plus it's a Glock, which are getting kind of hard to find in the airsoft world. Even in real world, too. Alright. I'll do a firing test, like a better one, in part 2. See you then. Don't forget.